Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use WireGuard VPN on Android with IPs purchased from Proxy 5. For this video, I will use a Datacenter IP. You can download the WireGuard app from the WireGuard website, or you can find a link in our blog to the Google Play Store. Check the video description below. Download the Android WireGuard app. Install it and open it. In your Proxy 5 account, go to your WireGuard VPN IPs. At the end of the row, click on the Options button and select Config. A modal will appear with your WireGuard configurations. You have three options. First, for mobile, you can scan the QR code. Second, you can copy the configuration and paste it in the WireGuard app. Third, you can download the configuration file and import it into the WireGuard app. For this tutorial, I will use the first option and scan the QR code. Go into the WireGuard app, press the plus sign, and select the way you want to import the configuration. I will use Scan from QR code. A pop-up will appear. Write a name that will help you identify the connection. On the connection you want to enable, press the toggle button on the right side of the configuration name to enable it. If it is the first time using the WireGuard app, a pop-up will appear which asks you to allow the WireGuard app to set up a VPN connection. Press OK. Now, let's check our IP. As you can see, the IP configured is the IP our system is using. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.